I wanted to recommend the Scotch Blue Painter's Tape, and it just works wonderfully. You get 6 rolls, which is a total of 360 yards. And the thickness is 1.88 inch thick and works really great. It's designed for multiple surfaces, from smooth to lightly textured, such as walls, trim, baseboards, even tile and glass. You can use this for up to 14 days without it leaving a residue. It's also UV and sunlight resistant too. And this is about a medium adhesive. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure the surface is clean. You may need to clean it with a damp cloth and make sure it dries. After it's fully dry, you can use the tape and press it down firmly. After you're done, just peel it off in a 45-degree angle. Sometimes if it's too difficult, you may need to do it at a 90-degree angle. Make sure to score it with a razor blade or a petty knife if necessary. You are doing an awesome job.
Thank you. Doing a little painting.
Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.